Okay, we're in kind of a quiet little area. I would recommend painting this blue color to something more and getting rid of this sort of stuff and this. If you make it a rental property, the laminate is a better grade than usual. It was installed correctly. No unusual smells. You can still see where we're getting some lifting here. Every place there's an appliance, you're going to start getting the laminate to lift because laminate and water just don't go together. Replacing the counters and everything in here would be about $3,000. But it's a nice little layout here. Interesting the way they took the doors off here. Don't see the water heater.